Welcome to LNSA's Employee Referral Program. Earn rewards while helping us grow. With LNSA's Employee Referral Program, you benefit not just from your direct referrals, but from every referral in your network. The more they grow, the more you earn. How does it work? Let's break it down. When you, employee A, refer someone to join LNSA, that person becomes your level 1 referral. Let's call them employee B. Once they join, you earn 100% of the referral points for that direct hire. Simple, right? But here's where it gets even better. If employee B refers someone else, employee C becomes your level 2 referral. Here's how the points are shared. Employee B, level 1, earns 50% of the referral points. You, as the original referrer, gets 50% of the remaining points. The points continue to flow as the chain grows. Let's take it further. If employee C refers someone, employee D, this is what happens. Employee C earns 50% of the points. Employee B, now level 2, gets 25%. And you, as level 1, still receive 25% of the points. It doesn't stop there. If employee D refers someone new, like employee E, employee D gets 50% of the points. Employee C, level 3, earns 16.67%. Employee B, level 2, also earns 16.67%. And you, as the level 1 referrer, earns 16.67%. Points flow back to you. As more referrals are made, points keep flowing back to you, even from higher several levels down the line. It's like building a team within a team. Exploring another branch. Now, you don't just have one branch. Let's say you make another referral. Employee Z. Just like before, you earn 100% of the points for this level 1 referral. If employee Z refers someone else, employee Y, the points are split as follows. Employee Z earns 50% of the points. You, as their level 1 referrer, receive 50% of the remaining points. And the pattern continues. If employee Y refers employee X, employee Y gets 50% of the points. Employee Z, level 2, earns 25%. And you, at level 1, still receive 25%. If employee X refers someone, employee W, employee X gets 50% of the points. Employee Y, level 3, earns 16.67%. Employee Z, level 2, also earns 16.67%. And you, again at level 1, receive 16.67%. Keep the points coming. Across all your branches, every time someone in your network refers someone new, you continue to earn points. The more referrals, the more you benefit. Getting started is easy. Ready to get started? Just log into the LNSA portal, head to the Employee Referral Program page, and submit your referrals. You can track your progress and watch your branches grow in real time.